Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Mansi and today I've created this purple eye look. It's a very appropriate look for springs and summers and also very appropriate for marriage and parties as well. Yes guys, so if you want to know how I created this look, so keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel because it's free and it will help me in creating such beautiful looks for you. All the links will be in the description box below. So yes, keep on watching. To start off the makeup, I've already done my eyebrows to save some time. Please click on the link above to watch my eyebrow tutorial. To prime my eyelids and to cancel out any veins and any darkness on the lids, I'm using a concealer and cleaning out my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm using a flat concealer brush. Guys, all the product details as always will be in the description box, so do check it out. I'm also spreading the concealer on my eyelids and I will be smudging it with the concealer brush. This is a basic step which is very necessary for creating any eye look because it will pop up the colors more. I will set it with the translucent loose powder. This is by PAC. Since I'm using purple in my eyes today, I want something peachy in my crease. I'm using Define Me as my transition with the help of a blending brush. This brush is by PAC. This will make sure that all the colors ahead will be blended very nicely. Take a notice on how I'm holding the brush and I'm using windshield wiper motions and circular motions. I'm just bringing the shade from inner to outwards. I'm not taking it too outwards guys. I'm using this another blending brush. It's a little bit cinched in from middle and it is a very nice brush if I want precise crease blending. And I'm using the shade Create and it's a beautiful magenta color and it will be really nice as a crease color for the purple ahead. I'm not taking this eyeshadow as far above as I took the first shade. I'm just keeping it a little bit lower, but not all the way down because I want to add the main color, which is purple. Guys, this is completely off topic, but what is one thing which makes you happy? Makeup, eyeshadows and blending brushes makes me happy, gives me a lot of stress-free situations when I'm in a bad mood. So comment down below what is one thing which makes you happy and I will be very happy to read about that. Just using a clean blending brush to blend the both colors. You can use any blending brush but which is clean. It should not have any pigment or color on it. Now I'm using the star of the show, the shade Voila. It's a pure pigmented eyeshadow by PAC and I love this shade. It calls out spring to me. I'm just packing it with the help of a short shader brush. Guys, if you search on YouTube, you will find so many purple eyeshadow looks, but they're very complex. So I felt like I should create a very simple eye look. It's very easy and very wearable. I just used 3 eyeshadows and a little bit of blending brushes. I did my other eye off camera. Now I'm cleaning any fallout with the help of this makeup wipe. For moisturizer, today I'm using the Face Shop Brightening Serum. It's a very lightweight moisturizer and I'm putting all over my skin. I also have a lip balm on. For primer today I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. It's a very good primer for oily skin. I usually don't have oily skin but in summers my skin does get a little bit oily. So I wanted that my skin should be oil free. To color correct my dark spots and any dark circles, I'm using the Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. And I'm neutralizing any dark spots, smudging it with this brush and then I will be setting it with a little bit of loose powder so that it doesn't mix up with the foundation. For foundation today I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect and the PAC HD Foundation and I'm dotting it on my face. I love these foundation mixed and they create a really nice finish on my skin. I'm using the blender by PAC. I will soak it in water and I will remove the excess water. This way my foundation will blend really nicely on my skin and it will leave no streakiness or harshness. As you can see, this foundation looks really healthy on the skin. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade medium and I'm highlighting my under eye circles, my nose, my temple, my cupid's bow and my chin. You can use a shade similar to your skin, but I feel like it's too much of work and I straight away use a highlighter shade for the concealer. I'm just blending it with the same beauty blender. Covering my under eyes, as you can see, it instantly brightens up my under eyes. Now I'm taking the same PAC Transclucent Powder and I'm setting my face. I'm just putting it with the same sponge, and this way the powder will absorb really nicely in the skin and it will create an airbrush look. This is a translucent powder, guys, and it has no color. I'm using the same shade Voila on my lower lash line with the same PAC brush which I used in the crease. Now I'm using the shade Forever. It's a darkish purple and I will use it with this brush. I will tightline my lower lash line and it will create a really nice depth effect. I'm using this PAC Kohl in the nude shade. Guys, this is one of the best nude eyeliners I've ever tried. It's so pigmented and just one swipe, it opens up my eyes so beautifully. I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. To be honest, I'm in love with this liner. It's so smooth and it's pure matte and it lasts for so long. It's so easy to create a winged eyeliner with this. For lashes, I'm using the PAC Lashes in the style 58. For mascara, I'm using the Lash Paradise by Loreal. It's not available in India. I got it from my Instagram page. I'm just coating my top lashes and my lower lashes as well. I will be contouring my face with the Maybelline Master Contour in the shade medium to deep. And I'm using this angled contour brush by PAC. I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my forehead and my jawline. Guys, you want to contour any part of the face which you feel like you want a little bit of depth and a little bit of cinchness. I'm just contouring my nose because I have a very big nose with this smaller brush. For blush, I'm using the Pearlescent Pink by Wet n Wild. It's almost finished, guys. I love this shade so much. For lip liner, I'm using the In Color Lip Liner. I'm lining my lips because I want that my lips should be very defined because I'm using a very bright lip color. I'm using a Maybelline Vivid's Bright lip color. It's a purplish pinkish lip color and I'm loving this shade. I've used it so much, but I don't like to use it on its own. Now to tone down the color a little bit, I'm using the 02 shade by Miss Claire. It helps in toning down any bright lipstick and it also makes it super matte and long lasting. I will be using the PAC Makeup Fixer to set my makeup in place, and it will also tone down all the powderiness. Guys, do invest in a good makeup fixer. It will help your makeup last throughout the day. I'm highlighting my face with the Master Comb by Maybelline in the Molten Gold shade. I'm using a highlighter brush. I usually set my face and then highlight because it creates a more popping highlight. I'm highlighting all the areas which I want that light should reflect on it, like forehead, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the point of my nose and my chin a little bit. That's it for the look, guys. If you like my spring purple tutorial, please click on the subscribe button. It's free, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my social media. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. So yes, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.